So hi guys, in this video I am going to show you one of the best software to send traffic in your website, especially for AdSense approval or AdSense arbitrage. So first thing you have to do is you can download this software from description, or otherwise if you want to learn more you can contact me through my WhatsApp number that available on video intro or my description. And I will share AdSense loading different method. I have 8+ AdSense loading method that I share in my courses. So if you want you can contact me. Now the first thing you have to do is you can simply click here as you download file and extract. Now guys, as this software is open, you can see this is my last project, the last campaign that I run on this software. So I simply delete this campaign and run again. Okay, so first thing you have to see here, the add site. Simply click here. Sorry. As you click here you have to add the site. Okay, so I will go to the website. This is the website. This I simply copy the URL and go back to the software and paste here. As I paste here, now I have to do is here you can see the daily traffic, how much traffic daily you want. You can simply choose right here. Let's say you need 200 traffic per day, so you can add 200. If you need 300 traffic per day, you can add 300. So like this. Okay, now here you have to select how many seconds that the visitor that come in your site is staying. Okay, so I choose 100, between 100 and 118. Okay, here you can see the average second right here, 140 seconds. Now the second thing you can see the traffic source. Here's the traffic source. You can simply click here and here you have to choose which platform you want traffic. Let's say I want Google keyword traffic or Bing keyword traffic. Mostly people use Google, so I select Google. Here I have to paste the keyword, which kind of which keyword I want traffic. So in my case you can see this is my article which I talk about how AdSense arbitrage work. So I simply copy this keyword and paste right here. As I paste right here, so I can simply change the percent. Let's say I want 50% traffic on this keyword, so I simply click to add and this keyword is add. Okay, now click here. So our traffic source is added. Now the third thing is the number of visitors. Just click here and here you have to choose 3 to more. Okay, now click to OK. Now here you can see the traffic platform, the mobile or PC. So you can choose mobile or PC, let's say 60 to 40 ratio. Now you can click to region, which country, which continent you want traffic. So let's say I want traffic only American countries or European countries. So I can select customize and click American countries or any specific country. Let's say I want traffic from Germany, so I simply click here and you can select any country right here. Okay, in Africa, let's say, okay, not only one country. Let's say I choose Europe only and I click OK. So I think Europe is good. So now here's a more setting, but you don't need anything. Just click here and this software start. Now it will send traffic slowly in my website, and here you can see the 300 traffic. When the 1 or 2 or 20 traffic will go, you can show right here, but it take time. At least per visitor take at least 5 to 10 minutes. So you have to make sure this software will be open. You can you have to make sure that your computer screen will not off, because if your computer screen will off, this software will not work. So you can use any kind of movie or any kind of thing that open your screen not go sleeping mode or anything. Okay, so that's the video guys. I hope this tutorial will helpful for you. If you have any kind of question query, you can ask me anytime. I am online on my WhatsApp. Also, if you need my courses, you can contact me. I share my contact number in video intro, or you can find my contact number in description.